Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. And if you are watching this on the day that it goes live in the United States, happy Thanksgiving! Today I am thankful to be trying out the Artist Couture Love Sprung Face Palette. So this is one of the products from my November 2022 Ipsy Glam Bag X. So I have that unboxing video up here on my YouTube channel if you haven't seen it yet. But this is a $34 palette, cruelty-free and vegan. And it comes with 3 different shades in here. I really like this packaging. And so you get 2 blushes, and then this one, I'm going to have to, of course, swatch them. I can't tell if I'll be able to use this as a highlighter. Is it a bronzer? You know, let's go ahead and jump right in and find out. So, ooh, very nice velvety feel. Yeah, I would say that's definitely not a bronzer. It's like a champagne highlight, which hopefully will look okay. And the blushes are both matte, so I can use the highlighter maybe also as like a blush topper to give that glow to the skin. So let's see how these look. Ooh, some good pigment to these blushes. I'll have to keep that in mind so that I don't go in with too much. Yeah, I wish that highlighter shade was just a little bit lighter. It is a little bit peachy too when I swatched it compared to how it looks in the pan, which is more brown. So I may just have to use that as a blush topper because I think it's too dark to highlight where I usually put a highlighter. And these blush shades are not my favorite tones of blush. They're a little bit more pinky, red, and I do prefer more of a bronzy blush. So I think putting that peachy bronze highlight on top could be the perfect mix. So I'm thinking I'm going to need to mix all 3 shades together to get my best, most flattering shade. But let's jump in and find out. Since these are more pigmented, I'm going to opt for a big fluffy brush to apply my blush. And I'll go in with 1 shade for each cheek to start, and then I'll mix them together, layer it up. So first I'm going to go in with this shade called Swoon Me. And just picking up a little bit there. And apply to the apple of my cheek. Okay, that's not showing up. Let's pick up a little bit more. Okay, there we go. It is a little bit lighter of a pink, which is maybe not a bad thing for me because I do tend to go in with too much blush. But it is a pretty, it's like very cute pink shade. Gives a cute flush to the cheek. Definitely a flush. Let's see if I can describe it. Like, I prefer more of a sun-kissed blush look than a flush of color because I always have the look of a flush of color in my cheeks because of the rosacea redness that I have. I am wearing foundation today, but typically it is more like a reddish pink shade. So I tend to shy away from blushes that are very similar to that color. But let's see how the shade Baby Bloom looks on the other cheek. Yeah, this one's a little bit more purpley compared to this cheek here. And I think 2 layers is perfect. So it is buildable. And with a fluffy brush like this, it goes in with not too heavy of a hand. Like a perfect amount of pigment for a blush, I'd say. So yeah, this one just a little bit deeper, a little darker versus this one here. And I think on my skin tone, I do prefer the lighter pink, but they're pretty similar. Like you almost can't tell the difference between the 2 when you just look right at me. But now for the bronzer called Eternal Flame. I just called it a bronzer. It's a highlighter. I'm going to pick it up and just kind of apply it on top of the blush. Ooh, I do really like the glow that is giving my skin because it's more of a metallic reflective glow than a shimmer sparkle glow. That actually looks really nice. Just going in with a little bit like that, wow. It looks smooth on the skin, super radiant. Oh my gosh, I love that. Going with a little bit more. I don't really feel like it altered the color of my blush. Like, it didn't really add bronziness to it. I feel like it just gave like a really beautiful reflective glow, which I was not expecting it to look so smooth, natural, radiant. I love that. And I love this combination. Let's see how it is on the other cheek here. And applying it with the fluffy brush is perfect. Wow. Just so quickly and easily gives such gorgeous radiance to the skin. Like, no denying the glistening. I'm like, I kind of want to add it like all over. Let's do the nose a bit. Maybe even like the center of the face. It just gives like such a perfect, natural reflection on the skin. Like, you can't even see a product. You seriously just see glow. Oh my goodness. I even have like the collarbones out today. Let's go everywhere with this highlighter. Wow. Okay, I love this palette. I had heard such good things about it from getting it in Ipsy, and it has great ratings on the Ipsy app, and oh my gosh, I agree with those ratings. Like, look at my skin right now. So radiant. A lot of blush going on, but that's what I always end up doing, and that's how I like it to look. So I end up really liking the blush on me with this on top. And I feel like this just needs to go on top of everything. Every blush that I wear, all of my skin, like, I need to put on this Eternal Flame highlighter shade. It is the most perfect radiance. And even if the blush shades are not my favorite type of shade for my skin tone, they are really easy to apply and pigmented, so I will get use out of it. Like, I feel like this is such a great travel palette. You've got the big mirror here, so I'm really happy with this. Of course, I want to hear in the comments down below what you think of it, how it works for your skin. But as always, thank you so much for watching my video today. Once again, happy Thanksgiving. I am so thankful for each and every one of you who's watching this video right now. So thankful that I recently reached 20,000 subscribers here on my YouTube channel, and just so thankful that I get to create videos like this, which brings me so much joy every single day. So I would love for you to subscribe to my channel if you're not already. Be sure to like and comment on this video, and I will see you in my next one.